This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chancey. Fully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bath second floor condo. Very good condition, and great location in the community. Split bedroom floor plan. Nice screened porch facing EASTTO. Enjoy the morning cup of coffee. Easy maintenance with the H.O.A covering most everything on the outside: paint, roofs, pest, insurance, lawn, trash, even water/sewer is included. You'll enjoy all the activities offered at WOODSIDE. Heated community pool and clubhouse. Centrally located, walk to shops and restaurants, WAL-MART, ALDI. Close to I-95, 15 minutes to the beaches. For more information, review the details below.